Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, all the good mothers out there in the world. Today is 5/12/2019, time 1:13 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. What do we have? We have the Dow Jones on a daily chart. And we had called for a correction that the bull run was overbought, and it is, but things have changed in 2019. And part of the change is going to be why we're going to be going into the next bear market in calendar year 2019 and 20. And not only that, it's going to probably end up being what? One of the very worst, if not all time, bear markets in our lifetime history. So basically, we came down here, we got support, and we did on Friday. And that low was 25,469 as it was. You could see up here where the double top reversal was, and we went straight up parabolically for the first 4 months of the year. Things have changed. You have the China stuff. You got all kinds of things. You got election year. Oh yeah, I mean, listen, what has happened in the last 10 years, you could say bye-bye. And not only that, you can get paid an extremely, a lot of money. Here we go. This is the Dow Jones. You can call us, get a VIP trader room seat for the free 5-day trial. Longer term below the bull market, 500 to 1,000% return with very little money and very low risk. Join our yearly 12-month managed account program. We do all the trades for you. Yes, we do have a service for that. Once you're registered, you will be automatically redirected to a private trading room only we created. 10 of the riskiest public companies in America, when going down, you are going to get rich. Don't talk yourselves out of this one. Take action now. The next bear market will be the worst one in history. The last 10 years, the bull markets have run. They have changed. But it can make you a lot of money. It can make you very rich if you take action now. Why the next bear market will be the worst in our lifetimes. May 15th, 2019, you will receive an email, private room link to the live event. And that's where the relationship starts. I'm not sure if the document stayed behind that video, so I do apologize, but here everything is right here. Everything that I read to you is right here in this document, so that way you should have it. I'm going back to the Dow. I'm going to pull up what we call, I'm going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and change the date. I'm going to go to a 1-year chart with daily candles and whatnot, and this is what it looks like right here. And these are the tops that we have called. These were other corrections that we have called, and we're looking for something like this, and we're going to get it. Not everything happens right away. The bull market has been strong, but the very longer term analysis will not be wrong. These last 10 years, they used algorithms, machines to get the stock market up. They did all of that. So we're sitting on a major support level right here, right now, with this trend line going right across here, and we are. That's on a yearly and a daily. So let's go ahead and go down and show what it looks like on an hourly so that you can clearly see how we bounced off of this lower level right here. We went straight up to resistance on the Dow. Just remember, the bull is still very strong. But the problem is the end result. You got China, you got all kinds of things, you got election year, volatility. Price action volatility will return, and we love that. We give you the orders to get in and get out live. And this is just where we're at on the Dow right now, how we rallied up Friday off of the low from last week selling with Mr. Trump doing what he wanted to do and how he did things. And I'm just saying to you, that as we develop this relationship, you're going to get very rich, and you are. And there's only one reason why, because you have to be right, and you have to have the time frame. Here's the weekly top up here on that Dow, and then how we came down and we hit this trend line going right across where we had broke down over here before. And not only that, we started another breakdown here. We rally up, but the end result, bam, they bring it on down. We went parabolically up, which was a great thing to do on the long side of this market. You popped up to a major weekly resistance with the left elbow gap down at this trend line. And I will update it every day. If you develop a relationship, you can get signed up with our analysis that we give, get in our managed account program, and do everything. Anyway, so I'm going to conclude this weekly chart. That was on the Dow Jones Index. Big moves are coming, big volatility.